This is like the most impulsive buy of my entire life, I think. Okay, hey guys, so I just got done doing my makeup. Today was relatively a free day. I did not do much, but I just want to like go and get an iPhone for myself. Now we can say that this is an impulsive buy, or maybe not. I'll tell you why. Because last year I really wanted to get myself 11 Pro Max, and I was almost like this close, okay, literally this close of going out and getting myself an iPhone 11 Pro Max. But obviously it's a lot expensive here in India. And I don't know, I think I missed like my friend did, a lot of my friends actually did fly down last year, but I think I missed telling them, or maybe yeah, I remember. Okay, what happened is, so we planned our New York trip, which was going to be in June, and I thought that okay, I'll buy myself an 11 Pro Max when I am in New York, because obviously I thought that it would be a lot cheaper if I get it from New York, and I also wanted to get it around my birthday, so like a birthday gift from me to me. And then I was like, okay, fine. So obviously the pandemic hit us and that never happened, so I was like, okay, fine. Then I don't know, I wasn't really planning on getting 12 Pro Max or just an iPhone in general, but then again this year what happened is, I remember on Lakshmi Pujan, so I was on my Instagram and literally everybody's stories were this, like every single story was like, oh, got myself an iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 mini or Pro Max or Pro or whatever. And I was like, oh, maybe this is like universe telling me to get myself an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I spoke to my mom, and then I spoke to Samarth, and he has been pretty reluctant, and he kept you know, convincing me otherwise. He's like, oh, it's a waste of money, don't do it. And back then it had just released, so I was like, I don't even know if I want to make that big of an investment, because it truly is an investment if you look at it. I don't know, I think people just really pay for the status, but whatever it is. Okay, currently I'm using OnePlus 7T. You guys, I think I get a lot of questions and you guys ask me what phone do I use. Yeah, this is the phone that I have been using, and it's a pretty good phone, honestly. I have never really had so much problems with my phones. I've really liked the phones that I've used. So what I thought is like, so when I was buying this, I was like, okay, I'll give it to Samarth, because any which ways I was going to get myself 11 Pro Max within 6 months. And then it did not happen, and I was like, oh my god, now I have to use this phone. Not that I was dreading it, but yeah, I was like, I really wanted to get myself that phone. And this year, okay, so where were we? Yeah, the Lakshmi Pujan. So all of that happened. My brother convinced me otherwise. I was like, okay, fine, maybe it's just a lot of money, status, all that. So yeah, then every now and then, maybe every 2 weeks or so, I would just text Samarth randomly, hey, let's just go get an iPhone, hey, let's just go get an iPhone. And every single time he used to be like, okay, no, that's not happening. So it's like, whatever. So cut to now, what happened is, I don't know, I just really felt like I have worked very hard this entire year, and I haven't really treated myself, or I haven't gifted anything to myself, and I thought that I deserved it. So yeah, because I really had big plans for this entire year, right? Like I wanted to travel, go to New York, do this, do that. Nothing of that has happened. So I thought, yeah, this is something that I deserve and I should go out and do it. So I just texted Samarth and I told him that okay, I have to get this phone last night. And then I think he did his research, he's pretty good at it, and we found the best price at Chroma. So now I think in a while Samarth would come pick me up, and then we will go and get the phone, and I'm super excited. And yeah, this really has to be the most impulsive buy. Actually not really, because I also think that I've thought through so much. It's been an entire year of just thinking and contemplating, so maybe or maybe not, but in this very moment I feel it's very impulsive, because I did not think that I would buy it today itself. Like I wanted to, but yeah, today I'm just like acting on it, and I don't know, I've just blabbered so much, I feel, but yeah, I can't contain my excitement, maybe because of that. I also don't know which color should I go for. I really like the green one which was there in 11 Pro Max, and I know that that variant is not there in 12 Pro Max, and now they have launched the blue one, which I'm not honestly a fan of because I have used this blue color for so long, and I honestly didn't even like this one, but this was like the only color and the other one was black. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to text Samarth and a couple of my friends and ask them which color should I go for. I think I could have taken a poll on Instagram, but that's just not my vibe. Like, I really want to do things and then tell people that I did it.
कार्तिक लाइन मी मागे
झालं कार्तिक लाईन तू घरी जा.
कार्तिक लाइन इंस्टाग्राम पे लिंक 2 लाखाची लिमिट 2 लाख का लिमिट
ICICI ला लिमिट असते 2 लाखाची गाइस.
जस्ट सो यू नो
या
हम लोग
I got it guys. I'm back and this is not a prank. Okay, so can you guys guess? I would really want you to guess which color I would have gone for. Just pause the video, go and tell me what do you think which color I've gotten, and yeah, whoever gets it right just gets it right. That's all that I can say. Okay, so I think I'm just going to open it up, probably unbox it for you guys. Here. So beautiful. What it looks like. All my life I have been an Android user. Oh, I don't know how to do unboxing since I'm not technical guruji, but I'll still show you. That's the phone, and then there is this cable, and I don't know what this is, but
some paper.
Yeah, some paper. But I really just want to say that it's crazy how this phone is like ridiculously expensive, and they have not even provided the bare minimum. I mean, it's a normal thing, like you have to provide a charger. Like, why would you not do that? So yeah, that's my phone. Oh my god, it feels so good. The only reason why I went for Pro Max, even though Samarth was like convincing me how I shouldn't go for Pro Max and I should go for 12 Pro, I think, is because of the size. I think it comes very close to the size that this phone is. So I was like, yeah, I mean, that's amazing. And yeah, oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually holding an Apple phone. Like, this is literally like a dream come true. I don't know how to put it. Like, I've always wanted to own an iPhone, but only because of its camera, and also the fact that the status that it comes with. Other than that, I've not really been like, oh, I have to get an iPhone, I have to get an iPhone. Yeah, it just feels amazing to actually hold something. I'm really excited to make what's on my iPhone wala video, which is a very trendy video, and now I can finally make such trendy content for you guys. So yeah, and thank you so much. I wouldn't have been doing this, I wouldn't have gotten myself an iPhone. It's all because of you guys. It's because you guys watch my videos I'm able to do this, and I'm forever thankful and forever grateful for each one of you for sticking around, watching my videos. It means the world to me. So thank you, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. It's just something I really wanted to document since I think it's really huge and very big. Also, I think I should at least yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, I think I should at least start my phone. Oh my god, it's my phone. So cool, Papa. Say hello, hi. Oh, let's talk to Siri. Oh, but then I'll have to set it up. Only then I can talk. Oh my god. Yeah, greet me like all the languages that you know. Swipe up to open. Okay, I'm swiping. Why would
What did you think?
I didn't know that. I thought, oh my god, English. My country is, the touch is very, touch is, I don't know, I can't find words right now. Quick start, set up manually. Obviously all of this, my brother, like the engineer that I have right here, is going to do it for me, so I'm super excited. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is just like me documenting it, and be on the lookout for what's on my iPhone 12 Pro Max 2020. Yeah, I think it would be a fun video to make, right? And yeah, thank you for watching. I love each one of you and appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.